Very good morning students. Sai Ram. Welcome back to our maths period. Children, this session I am going to take revision, okay, for your second semester. This session I am going to take revision of profit and loss. So children, you know very well this lesson only two exercises are there, that is full word problem, isn't it? So some sums I will teach you now. Are you ready children? See here, first of all I would like to say what is meant by profit and what is meant by loss. See here children, I hope you know very well what is meant by selling price and cost price. Okay, so profit means what? The selling price is more than the cost price. There is a profit. Okay, the loss means what? The selling price is less than the cost price. There is a loss. Understood children? Yes, profit and loss. Okay, here we have a problem. See here, that is the, here I have given the formula of profit and loss. Profit means what? Selling price minus cost price. And loss means what? Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. That means here what? Cost price is more. That means selling price is less than the cost price. Okay, I will give you here example here, then it will easily come to know. Okay children, see, yes, the cost price of one article is 1000 rupees. Okay, and selling price is 1200 rupees. So children, see here, cost price is 1000 rupees, selling price is 1200 rupees. So here selling price is more than the cost price. So here profit or loss? Yes, there is a profit. And how much? How we got to find? Selling price minus cost price. Okay, that means 200 rupees. Understood children? And another one example I will give here. Selling price is 500 rupees and cost price is 600 rupees. See here, cost price is 600, selling price is 500. Okay, so here selling price is less than the cost price. So here there is a loss. Okay, that means cost price minus selling price. That means 600 minus 500. So loss means what? Rupees 100. Understood children? So I hope if I will give cost price and selling price, you can find profit or loss. Yes, shall I go to next one now? So children, see here some word problem. Here I am going to solve now. Okay, just you have to see, listen here. A shopkeeper bought a bicycle for rupees 5000. Okay, rupees 5000 and sold the same for rupees 5500. Okay children, how much was his profit? So we have to find. So here that shopkeeper bought a bicycle, that means rupees 5000. So here 5000 is what? 5000 is a cost price. Okay, and sold them the same for 5000 and 500 rupees. That means this is what? Selling price. Okay, so first what you have to write? You have to write which one you will get from your sum. Okay, so which one is in your that sum, that you have to write cost price is equal to 5000 rupees, selling price is equal to 5500 rupees. So you know very well here selling price is more than the cost price. So there is a profit. So profit, what is the formula? Very good, selling price minus cost price. That means 5500 minus 5000. Okay, so what is your answer? Yes, see here children, 5500 minus 5000. So your answer is what? 500 rupees. Okay, so the shopkeeper's profit was what? Rupees 500. Okay, so children, first you have to write which one which one has given in your sum, that you have to write. Afterwards you have to compare that cost price and selling price. Okay, so through that it will come to know there is a profit or loss. So you have to write that profit or loss, that which formula will come, you have to write and you have to find the answer. Okay, I hope you understood this one. Yes, shall I go to next one now? Second question is, children, see here, this is a second question. Yes, Sunanda Bai bought milk for 700 rupees. Okay, this is 700 rupees. She converted it into yogurt and sold it for rupees 950. Okay, how much profit did she make? So children, always the word problem you have to read 2-3 times. Okay, once again I will read here. Sunanda boy bought a milk for rupees 700. That means this is the cost price. Okay, cost price is what? 700. Okay, afterwards she converted it into yogurt. You know very well that milk we can convert into a yogurt. Okay, so she converted into yogurt and sold. See here children, sold it. It is for rupees 950 rupees. Okay, this is what selling price. And here already they have given there is a yes profit and how much we have to find. See here, compare these two amount. Yes, here selling price is more than the cost price, so there is a profit. So can anyone say what is the formula of profit? Yes, very good. Profit formula is what? Selling price minus cost price. Okay, see here children. Yes, here I have given cost price is what? Yes, what is given that first you have to write. Rupees 700. Selling price is what? Rupees 950 rupees. And a profit, there is a profit, that means this is the formula. Selling price minus cost price. Okay, so 950 rupees minus 700. So what is your answer? Rupees 250. Okay, so Sunanda Boy made a profit of rupees, yes, 250 rupees. Understood children? So I hope you understood this one. Shall I go to next one? Children, say here third question is Abraham bought goods, that's the things, okay, worth rupees 55,000 and spent 7,000 rupees on, yes, transport and octroi. Okay children, so here you have to find if he sold the goods rupees 75,000, did he make a profit or loss, we have to find, and how much, that also we have to find. Okay, so first of all, say here, one second I am reading your question. Abraham bought goods worth rupees 55,000 and spent, moreover that he spent 7,000 rupees for transport and octroi. Okay, so that here we have to find what? Total cost price. Okay children, total cost price we have to find. For that we have to add the total cost price, that means the 55,000 plus 7,000 we have to add, so that will be your total cost price. Okay, so afterwards if you are adding this two amount, you will get what? Total cost price. Okay, and if he sold goods for rupees 75,000, that means selling price is what? 75,000. So you have to find what? Total cost price. If you will find the total cost price, then only it will come to know there is a profit or loss. So you have to find first total cost price. Okay children, for that already I have told you have to add 55,000 plus 7,000 rupees. Why we should add this 7,000 rupees? Yes, because he spent this 7,000 rupees for transport. Okay, so that we have to add to here with cost price. So that will be your total cost price. Okay children, the next slide I have given statement cost price of goods, that is 55,000. Okay, which statement you are getting from your question, that you have to write first. That means cost price of goods is what? 55,000. Okay, transportation cost and octroi, that is 7,000 rupees. So therefore total cost price for buying goods is equal to what? Cost price plus transportation charge. That means 55,000 plus 7,000 is equal to, yes, 55,000 plus 7,000 rupees, what will come? 62,000. Understood children? Yes, see here now 62,000. Can anyone say what is the selling price? Yes, selling price is what? 75,000. So say here children, selling price of goods, that is 75,000 rupees. and total cost price is what? Yes, 62,000. So can anyone say here profit or loss? Yes, selling price is more than the cost price, so there is a profit. Okay children, so selling price of say here selling price is greater than the total cost price, so Abraham made a profit. Okay, can anyone say what is the formula of profit? Profit is equal to selling price minus total cost price. Okay, so selling price is what here? Yes, 75,000 minus 62,000. So if you will subtract here, you will get 13,000 rupees. So Abraham made a profit of rupees 13,000. Understood children? Yes. So children say here, yes, 13,000 rupees. This is your yes final answer. That means Abraham made a profit of rupees 13,000. Okay. So I hope you understood this one. Yes. So children, again I am telling that word problem, always you have to read the question 2-3 times, okay, and you have to get that points what they are giving, okay, and afterwards you have to find what. Yes, see here children, so here I have completed the revision of profit and loss chapter. Okay, so see here which one I have taught today, profit and loss, what is meant by cost price and what is meant by selling price, okay, and what is meant by profit and loss. What are the formula? Profit formula and profit how we have to find, loss how we have to find, and word problem. Okay children, so word problem, from the word problem you will get that cost price and selling price. So that two value you have to compare, then it will come to know there is a profit or loss. So you have to choose that correct formula and you have to get an answer. Okay children, this last third word problem, that is which one we found? We found about total cost price. Okay, so cost price some for transport or some yes charges, that is you have to add with the cost price, that will be a total cost price. Okay children, so only here addition and subtraction. Okay, so children, the textbook here 4 exercises are there in this chapter. So last 2 exercise, that is the omitted portion. Okay, so first 2, that is a reduced portion. So first 2, that is yes, that word problem you have to do practice in your home. Okay children, yes, I hope you understood this one. So children, I will ask you one question here. What is the formula of loss? Yes, loss is equal to what? Cost price minus selling price. Okay, because here selling price is less than the cost price. Then profit. Profit means here selling price is, yes, selling price is more than cost price. So profit formula is what? Selling price minus cost price. Okay children, so I hope you understood this chapter. You have to do practice in your home. Okay children, thank you. Sai Ram.